This is your Donnelsville Elementary Announcements.
Good morning, Donnelsville. This is Mrs. Strader broadcasting live from Donnelsville Elementary. Today is Thursday, October the 25th, 2012. Okay, boys and girls, tomorrow we're going to have our fall parade and parties. So don't forget, you can bring your Halloween costumes to school tomorrow, and then we'll have our parade and our parties. Now, tomorrow's weather is supposed to turn a little bit cooler. Okay, so make sure you dress warm so that when you put your costume on, you'll still be warm when we go to walk outside. Otherwise, you're going to have to wear your bulky coats underneath your costumes, which we still might have to do. Okay, but be thinking about that when you are getting ready for school tomorrow, and don't forget your costumes at home. Welcome to our substitutes today, Mrs. Van Fleet, Mrs. Fink, Mrs. York, Mrs. Pankowitz, and Mrs. Bicknell. Now, teachers, Mrs. Cunningham and Mrs. Rogers are missing their clipboards. If anyone has seen those around, hey, please get those back to their classrooms for them. All right, let's see, we've got a birthday today. Sebastian, is it your birthday today? All right, how old are you today?
6.
All right, great. That is going to be a fun day today. Now, who's your teacher?
Mrs. Pond.
Okay, well, happy birthday, Sebastian, okay? Reminder to teachers that we need all iPads returned to the cart by 3 o'clock today for Tech Friday tomorrow. And Miss Lynn's class is headed to Fulton Farms. Have a great time on your field trip today, boys and girls in Miss Lynn's class. And Dustin, what's for lunch today?
Walkie taco.
All right. Hey, you know what? Keep that turned around there. Somebody asked me the other day, they didn't understand why it's called a walking taco. Hey, if you've ever eaten a regular taco, all the stuff kind of tends to fall out. Well, a walking taco, they just put all that same stuff, your meat and your cheese and stuff, in the bag, hey, with your crunchy chips there, and that's what makes it a walking taco. Now, we don't really want you walking around the cafeteria, but hey, that is why it's called a walking taco. Hey, Alina, what about that weather today?
Sunny.
All right, it is. It's going to be a beautiful day. We'll enjoy that because the weather's turning colder tomorrow. Hey, boys and girls, somebody brought in this bag. It looks like it's got a couple bags of pretzels in it. You maybe were bringing it in for your class party or something. Hey, it was left in the cafeteria this morning. If this belongs to you, hey, stop in the office after announcements and you can pick that up. All right, thank you for joining us on another edition of the Donnelsville News. Have a great day. Remember, we're all here to
learn.